In today's video, you'll learn what true bearing and relative bearing are, how they differ, and when each is used in marine navigation. True bearing is the horizontal angle measured clockwise from true north, or 0 degree true, to the direction of an object. It is measured from 0 degree to 360 degrees. In simple terms, the reference direction is true north, and all bearings are measured clockwise from it. True bearings are expressed from 000 degree to 359 degrees true and are used for plotting positions on the nautical charts because nautical charts are referenced to true north. For example, suppose we are on board a ship and we have observed a lighthouse. This line represents the line of sight from the observer to the lighthouse. The horizontal angle measured clockwise from true north or geographical north to the line of sight is called the true bearing of the lighthouse. On board a ship, we commonly use a compass to determine the bearing of an object. When determining a true bearing, the gyro compass is commonly used because it is referenced to true north. Assume that we have visually sighted the lighthouse and read its bearing as 210 degrees on the gyro compass repeater. This means that the horizontal angle, measured clockwise from true north or geographic north, to the line of sight from the observer to the lighthouse is 210 degrees true. On the other hand, relative bearing is the horizontal angle measured clockwise from the ship's head or ship's heading to the direction of an object through 360 degrees. In simple terms, the reference direction is the ship's heading, not true north. Relative bearings are also measured clockwise and are expressed as 000 degrees to 359 degrees with the ship's head represented as 000 degrees. It indicates the direction of an object relative to the ship's bow and is commonly used for collision avoidance and visual navigation. Let us examine our previous example. The true bearing of the lighthouse is 210 degrees true, and the ship's heading in this scenario is 140 degrees true. To determine the relative bearing of the lighthouse, we measure the horizontal angle clockwise from the ship's head to the line of sight of the lighthouse. This angle is the relative bearing. Since relative bearing is measured clockwise, from 000 degree, where the ship's head is the reference direction, the relative bearing of the lighthouse is 070 degrees. We can also calculate the relative bearing mathematically using this formula. Relative bearing equals true bearing minus true course. In this example, the true bearing of the lighthouse is 210 degrees, and the ship's true course is 140 degrees true. Therefore, the relative bearing is 070 degrees. Letter R stands for relative, and T stands for true bearing. Now, true bearing can also be calculated using this formula. True bearing equals relative bearing plus true course. In this example, the relative bearing is 70 degrees, and the true course is 140 degrees. The true bearing is 210 degrees. Let's consider another example. Assume that the ship's true course is 325 degrees. The true bearing of the lighthouse has been observed to be 240 degrees. Determine the relative bearing of the lighthouse. So we are looking for the horizontal angle, measured clockwise, from the ship's heading to the line of sight of the lighthouse. Now let's use the formula. Relative bearing equals true bearing minus true course. In this example, the true bearing is less than the ship's true course. Therefore, we first add 360 degrees to the true bearing before subtracting the true course. The calculation is 360 degrees plus 240 degrees, then minus 325 degrees, which gives a relative bearing of 275 degrees. Now this time, let's assume that the ship's true heading is 325 degrees true and the relative bearing of the lighthouse is 275 degrees. We want to determine the true bearing of the lighthouse. To do this, we use the formula. True bearing equals relative bearing plus true course. The relative bearing is 275 degrees, and the ship's true heading is 325 degrees. Adding them together gives 600 degrees. However, remember that a compass is graduated from 0 degree to 360 degrees. If the calculated bearing is greater than 360 degrees, simply subtract 360. Therefore, the true bearing of the lighthouse is 240 degrees true. That's all for now. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more maritime tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.